This is the multi-window support on Android 16's desktop mode on my phone. Even with the beta version, surprised with how smooth the experience is. You just need to connect your phone to a HDMI port, make sure to enable a couple of toggles in developer options, and you should be ready to go. Switching is almost instant. Recording this on a video capture device to show you how this works. There's some lag because of this, but the real experience is quite smooth, so beware when watching this video. The desktop mode is still in developer preview if your phone is updated to Android 16 QPR Beta 2. Here's the home screen on how it looks with the docked menu below, straight from the saved one on my phone, navigation menu on the right, time and the network indicators and the battery info on the top menu. No wallpaper support yet. Tapping the menu button reveals the app menu and the Google keyboard layout. I have already connected my mouse and keyboard, so I won't be using the Gboard here. I have this dongle which also has a USB-C with a PD for phone charging. As an example, opening Lightroom app and it opens as a desktop window-like interface. We'll open another app, Snapseed this time. You can resize windows, move them around. If you hover around maximize button, you have options to snap the window like you do it on a PC. Maximize the window and restore it. It's quite flexible and works similar like on a PC. The experience is surprisingly smooth considering this is first major overhaul of the desktop mode on my mid-range Pixel, 8A by the way. You can use the navigation buttons to go back, home and the recents. And here you can add more desktops too like on a PC. So you can have different apps on different desktops saved for easy navigation. Opening any app opens them in tablet layout if they support it. You can resize them and make them more vertical for a mobile version layout. In settings under connected devices, you can find external display. Here you can find more options. You already see an option to arrange the displays. Currently it has only one display option. Probably a mobile display will be added here too. Moving windows between mobile and external monitor will be quite handy. Currently the mobile display has to always stay awake to use the desktop mode. Option to mirror the mobile display. Options to change the DPI of the layout. Rotation options, especially if you want to mount the monitor in a vertical position. I had to enable these options to use the desktop mode. These will probably be moved out of developer options when it will be out of beta. As you can see, after maximizing, there is still this bit of space wasted on the notification bar. You can make this full screen by tapping on this full screen button. Now you can see the app comes out of the first desktop. Working with mouse is similar to how the desktop version works, but there are still some features missing like keyboard shortcuts to pin zoom and so on. Features used with 2-finger touch can't be used right now. Also no notification or quick tiles as of now. To restore, you just need to drag this pill from the top and the window is restored to the previous state. The full screen experience is really good and the animations too for resizing windows are quite smooth. You can also drag the window to left or right to snap them to the positions. You can clear the desktops from the recents menu. No support to adding apps to the desktop yet, another missing feature. I don't see any performance issues related to RAM too. Opening Play Store here to update my apps. Typing on my keyboard connected. It is quite similar experience to a Chromebook. So hopefully you may just need your mobile and may skip having a Chromebook completely. Mobile with a monitor should be more than enough. Another example of showing how snapping windows works like split screen on Windows. You can resize them and the layout changes accordingly. Granted, I don't have experience using Samsung Dex or other desktop modes, but with some bugs fixed and support for notifications and quick tiles, which will obviously be fixed, you may almost skip having a laptop, though this will be more of a replacement for a Chromebook. See you all in my next video. Subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.